Hello and welcome to your ICE desktop training. Today you will be shown how to make requests and review and endorse bloods and microbiology. ICE desktop can be accessed in a couple of ways. One way is via ELHT, searching under IT systems and then finding ICE desktop. Another way is via Cerner Power Chart. The link to ICE can be found in the grey toolbar. Simply click the link to be directed to ICE. Enter your username and password for the system and click Login. Then it may ask you for your location. Select the appropriate one from the drop-down list. You will now be directed to the home screen of ICE. The blue panel to the left contains all the options to navigate the ICE system. The main body of the screen contains the multiple ways to search for a patient. You may wish to search using the ward list in the bottom half of the screen. Simply click on the drop-down list and select the correct ward you are working on. Alternatively, you can search for an individual patient using the Patient Search option at the top of the screen. Patients can be searched by NHS number, patient name, hospital number or date of birth. Enter the details, then click Search for Patient. Your patient information will appear. Click on the patient details and the patient information will display. Confirm it is the correct patient in the grey banner at the top of the screen. You can now begin your request by clicking on Requesting, then New Request. All the options for your request will now be displayed. These are divided up into sections at the side and tabs along the top. Select the tabs as required for your order. The tabs are divided into Ward Blood Sciences, Outpatients, and Microbiology requests. I will be making a Blood Sciences request, so I will pick the Ward Blood Sciences tab. Before I make my request, I can check the past 5 requests for this patient by checking the box at the bottom of the screen. To start my request, I will select Critical Care from the list to see all relevant tests. Hovering over some of the tests will show further information either in the bar at the top of the screen, or it may redirect you to an external site. Tick boxes to select bloods. Some boxes may display further request options. I will now move to the Microbiology tab to make some further requests. You will notice that the list of requests down the left-hand side has now changed to reflect our microbiology requests. From here, I am going to select the MRSA screening one. Here, you will find subheadings, so I will pick the one I would like to view and more tests will be revealed. All can be selected if required, but I will just pick the Combined Nose and Groin MRSA test by ticking the box. If you are ever unable to find the test you are looking for, you can use the search box from the list on the left. Simply type into the search box the name or part of the name of the test you are looking for, and a list matching the criteria will pop up. From the list, select the relevant options and then select the test as required. I will now complete my order by clicking on the green Continue with Request button at the bottom of the screen. This will bring you to the next part of the request process. The screen is divided into 2 parts. On the left, you need to complete a few mandatory fields. Firstly, the bleep and contact number will need to be checked and updated if required. Then, using the list, scroll through to find the name of the requesting consultant. Complete the location details and then add any additional details for the pathology department in the free text box. Over on the right of the screen, you will be able to see your orders for microbiology and blood sciences. To complete these orders, I will now update my priority preferences to normal or urgent. Then I will update my Collect Now or Collect Later options. Collect Now will print the date and time on the labels, whereas Collect Later will leave the date and time blank to be filled in by hand when ready to take the bloods. Make sure you check all your order details. Then once this is done, you can complete the order. I will now complete the request by clicking on the Accept Request button in the bottom right of the screen. The request will now show as complete. We will now look at how to view and endorse results. Start by searching for the patient, then navigate to the Reporting tab and select View Patient Reports. All results for the patient will be displayed. At the top of the screen there are various filters you can use to tailor the results. I would like to view results for liver investigations, so typing liver into the investigation filter will sort these. Any results with abnormalities will be highlighted with a red exclamation mark. To view any tests, simply click on the one you want to see and the results will appear. When you are ready, you can click on the back button to return to the results page. I will now view all the unfiled reports by selecting Unfiled Reports only. I will then be able to view all reports that need to be endorsed. To do this, I need to click on the report you want to review. Check the information, and when you are happy, simply click on the File button, or File and next to continue reviewing. The back button takes you back to the previous page. If I now select all reports, I can now see my initials in the File Status column. These are the reports I have endorsed. Finally, the envelope in the top corner will show if any reports have come back for you to endorse.